student. Today we will learn exercise 5.2. But before that, let us understand how to find the nth term. We know that the standard form of AP is A, the second term is A plus D, the third term is A plus 2D and so on. Now suppose I want to find the nth term. Then what is the formula for finding the nth term? Here you see first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is that is A3 is A plus 2D. So if it is 3, it is 1 less. So if it is n, it will be A plus n minus 1D. So this is the formula for finding the nth term. Suppose you are given any series like this, any AP, 1, 3, 5 and so on. And you are told that find the 15th term. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. So what will be the 15th term? So you can continue 7 and after that 7, 9, 11 and you can calculate. So you can go for the 15. But we have a very easy formula for it. You can say A15. That means the 15th term will be A plus 15 minus 1D. So A plus 15 minus 1 means 14D. Now in this case, what is A? 1. Put the value of A and D. Plus 14. What is D? 3 minus 1. 2. 1 plus 28. The answer is 29. That means if you write this AP up to 15 terms, the 15th term will be 29. So this will be 15th term. So you can find any term of any AP when you are knowing A and D. So now let's start exercise 5.2. Question number first. In this question, it is given A is equal to 7. Common difference D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 8. Find AN. We are knowing the formula of AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So here what is A? 7. Plus what is N given? 8. Minus 1. What is D given? D is given 3. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. First always do the multiplication. Don't add first. So 7 plus 7 3s are 21. So the answer is 28. So the nth term means 8th term is 28. So this is actually A8 because here n is 8. So the nth term, the 8th term is 28. Now come to the second question. In this question, A is minus 18. D is not given. We have to find the D. N is given 10 and the nth term is given 0. That means here N is 10. So the 10th term, that is A10 is equal to 0. Nth term is 0. Here N is 10. So I will place of N, I will put this. Okay, now what is the formula for finding the nth term? Here N is 10. So first of all write down the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. Here N is 10. So I will put A10 is equal to, what is A? 18 plus, what is N? 10. 10 minus 1, 9. I am writing directly. Into D. What is D given? D is not given. D we have to find. Now the value of A10 is already given. The 10th term is 0. So in place of 10th term A10 I will write 0 is equal to 18 plus 9D. This 18 is taken to this side. So minus 18 is equal to 9D. So D is equal to minus 18 by 9. This implies D is equal to minus 2. In this way, there is A, D, N and AN. 4 variables are there. Any 3 will be given and you will be asked at the remaining one. So we have to use this formula for finding the nth term and even for finding A, N or D. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 first. Here n is given 30. A is given 10. D is A2 minus A1, that is minus 3. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. We have to find the 30th term, that is we have to find 30th term of this AP. First of all, I will write down the formula for finding the nth term. What is the formula for finding the nth term? A plus n minus 1D. So what will be the 30th term, that is A30? It will be A plus 30. So it will be 29D. 30 minus 1 is 29. Now what is A given? A is 10 plus 29. How much is D given? Minus 3. So 10 plus, so plus minus minus 29 into 3, that is 87. So my answer, that is my 30th term, is minus 77. So which option is correct? C option is correct. Similarly, you can do the second one by now question number 3. In question number 3, we have to find the missing term. Now here, see the first one. So first term is already given, that is 2. Second term is missing, that we have to find out. And third term is given 26. Now this is A, this is A1, A2, A3. Now here the first term is known to us. If I want to find the second term, this is actually A. Second term will be A plus D. Third term will be A plus 2D and so on. We have to find only second term. So we know that second term is A plus D. A is already known to me, which is 2. But D I am not knowing. So by using this, I will find the value of D. Now what is 26? 26 is third term. What is 26? A3 is 26. What is the formula in place of A3? Can I write like this? A plus 2D according to the formula. We know that this is the third term. So it will be 3 minus 1. That is 2D. In place of A3, I will write A plus 2D is equal to 26. Now the value of A is known to us. That is 2. So 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. This 2 comes to this side. 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. So I got D is equal to 12. What will be A2 now? So A2 is equal to A plus D. A is already 2 plus D is 12. So the answer is 14. So this will be 14. In this way, first of all, we will always find A and D. If A is not given, first you find A, then you find D, and then you are able to find any term, whatever is asked. Question number 2, second. Now here, first term is not given, second term is given, that is A2 is equal to 13. Third term is also not given, and the fourth term is given, that is A4 is equal to 3. So we have to find first term and third term. Here A is also not known to us, D is also not known to us. So, but two terms are given. So we can find the A and D, and then we can find the remaining terms. Okay, now what in place of A2? What can I write? I can write A plus D is equal to 13 because A2 means A plus D. In place of A4, I will write A plus 3D. A plus D equals to 13 and A4. What is the meaning of this? A fourth term, that means A plus 3D. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now this is my first equation and this is my second equation. If I do subtraction, 1 minus 2, A get cancelled. I will get minus 2D plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And here 10. 30 minus 3 is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10 upon minus 2. which implies D is equal to minus 5. I got the value of D. Now I will find the value of A. Putting D equal to minus 5 in any one of the equation. Either you can put in this or this. I will get the value of A. So A plus D equal to 13. I am putting the value of D in this equation. A, what is the value of D? Minus 5 is equal to 13. So A is equal to 13 plus 5. So A is equal to 18. So my first term is 18. So in this box 18 will come. Okay, now I want to find the third term. What is A3? A plus 2D. A is 18 plus 2. What is the value of D? Minus 5. So 18 minus 10. So the answer is 8. So in this box there will be 8. So my AP is 18, 13, 8, 3 like this. I think how to find the missing terms is clear to every student. Now let's move to question number 3. Remaining all questions of question number 3 are same. So do by yourself. Now come on question number 4. In this question, which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Now try to understand this question. This is AP. 3 is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Now 78 is which term? It may be 15, 16, 17, which term it is? Okay, so let it be nth term. Let it be nth term. Let us assume that it is nth term. Okay, so we say that an is equal to 78. It is nth term, so an is equal to 78. What is the formula for finding an? In place of n, I will write a plus n minus 1d is equal to 78. In place of an, I had written this thing. Now, what is a here? 3. N, we don't know. We have to find n. Now, but we are knowing d. So, what is d here? D means a2 minus a1. That is 8 minus 3. That is 5 is equal to 78. I think the question is clear to everybody. A is 3, first term. And what is the meaning of D? A2 minus A1, which is 5. Common difference. So, 3 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 78. I had opened the bracket. So, 5 into n, 5n. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 is equal to 78. We say that therefore 5n is equal to, this minus 2 comes to this side, 78 plus 2. 5n is equal to 80. So n is equal to 80 by 5. So what is the value of n? So when we divide 80 by 5, we are getting n equal to 16. That means 78 is the 16th term. If you keep writing this AP up to 16, you will get 78. Now remember, this n will be always a natural number. You will never get this n in a fraction form, in a decimal form, in a negative form, and n never be 0. This n will be always a natural number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Second thing is, keep in your mind like this. This n means roll number. Is it possible your roll number is negative number, or your roll number is a fraction, or your roll number is in a decimal form? Suppose your roll number is 1.5. Is it possible? No. Your class teacher is giving you a roll number like this. So we consider like this. This is roll number 1. This is roll number 2, 3, 4, 5. So n will be always a natural number. That is positive integer. It never be a fraction, decimal or negative or 0. So I think this concept is clear. Now question number 5. is also of the same type. That is question number 5 and question number 4. Both are of the same type. So do question number 5 by yourself. Now let's move to question number 6. Check whether question number 6, that is 11, 8, 5, 2. Here the numbers are decreasing. They are in decreasing order. Now the question is asking that is minus 150 will be its any term or not? Okay, so let us think, yes, it is nth term. So let an is equal to minus 150. We have to check whether this will be, you will get minus 150 when you are writing this AP. So let us think, yes, we are getting, and it is which term? Nth term. So my an is equal to minus 150. Now I will put the formula of an. What is an? A plus n minus 1d is equal to minus 150. Put the value of a. What is a? 11 plus n. We are not knowing the value of n. What is d? D means 8 minus 11. So what is 8 minus 11? It will be minus 3 is equal to minus 180. 11, now n into minus 3 is minus 3n. Minus into minus plus 3 is equal to minus 150. Now 11 plus 3, that is plus 14 is equal to minus 150. So minus 3n is equal to minus 150 minus 14. This 14 comes to this side, becomes negative. So minus 3n is equal to minus 164, because both are negative. So we will add them. So minus minus get cancelled. I can say n is equal to minus 164 upon minus. See, this is minus 3. It is coming in. It is in multiplication. So it will come in division. Some people think that this negative will become positive. No, it is coming in division. So minus, the number will remain as it is. Minus minus get cancelled. So I am getting n equal to 164 by 3. Is it possible to divide 164 by 3? No. So is such n possible? No. This n must be a natural number. So minus 150 is not any term of AP. So if you keep writing this AP, you will not get minus 150 as one of its term. It may be minus 151 or something else, but not minus 150. So how to find? Because I am not getting a proper n here. Suppose here I am getting n equal to 20, n equal to 25, something like that. Then we say yes, but I am getting n in a fraction form. So it is not any term of given AP. Question number 7. In this question, we have to find the 31st term. 11th term and 16th terms are given. The 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So we say that A11 equal to 38 and A of 16 equal to 73. Now using this two, we have to find A, we have to find B, then we will use the formula for finding the 31st term. Okay, so here in place of A11, that means in place of this, can I write A plus 10D according to the formula? What is the formula? A plus n minus 1D. So here n is 11. N minus 1 means 11 minus 1, which is 10. Similarly, I can write for this also. It will be A plus, it is 16. So it will become 15. D is equal to 73. This is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. When we have to find two variables, that is A and D. Here A is also not given, D is also not given. In that case, we always have to form two equations using this. Okay, now subtraction. 1 minus 2, I will do one equation minus second equation. So I will change the sign of all. So plus A minus A get cancelled. Plus 10 minus 15 is minus 5D. Now 38 minus 73 minus 35. Therefore, D is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. 5 sevens are 35. So, my D is 7. Now, I will find, I got D equal to 7. Now, I will find the value of A. Putting D equal to 7 in any one of the equation, either in this or this, you will get the answer. But usually we put in the simple one. So first, A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10, D is 7 equal to 38. So A plus 70 is equal to 38. So I got A equal to 38 minus 70, that is minus 32. Now I have to find 31st term. That means I have to find A of 31. So the formula is A plus 30D. I will put the value of A. What is A? Minus 32 plus 30. What is my D? 7. Now I will solve this and I will get the value of 31st term, that is A of 31. So this will be equal to, so minus 32 plus 210, that is plus 178. The greater number is 210. So the answer is positive. So my 31st term is 178. Now question number 8 and 9 are of the same type, just like question number 7. So try by yourself. Now come on, question number 10. Question number 10. The 17th term of an AP, that means 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term, that means 10th term by 7. That means 17th term is greater by 10th term by 7. That means this term is greater. So this is my equation. And what we have to find the common difference. We have to find D. Okay. Now A17. So according to the formula, it will be A plus 16D is equal to, this is A10. So it will be A plus 10. 10 minus 1, 9D plus 7. I think the concept is clear. From the equation, from the question, we have to first form the equation. According to this equation, the 17th term, that is A17, is equal to 10th term plus 7. Okay. Now in place of A17, I can write A plus 16D, and in place of A10, I can write A plus 9D according to the formula plus 7. Now here A get cancelled. So we say, and this 9D comes to this side. So 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. Here A get cancelled. Now 16 minus 9 is 7D is equal to 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. So D is equal to 7 by 7. Don't make mistake. What some students are doing, they are writing 7D equal to 7. So D equal to 7 minus 7. So D is 0. No, this is in multiplication with D. So it will go in the denominator. So D is equal to 1. So this is the value of D. So I think question number 10 is clear to every student. Now remaining questions we will do in next session. Thank you.